Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by zeroing in on what matters: role, tech stack, and minimum experience, because specificity yields better results. Once done, sign into Github and create a personal access token to avoid rate limits. Make sure to store it securely. Next, build a short list of keywords, languages, and location filters. Then open the search bar and switch to code or users. This first action gets you immediate results rather than theoretical prep. Start iterating now to expose real candidate profiles. Now refine and evaluate. Use qualifiers like language, location, followers, and repos to shrink broad lists into qualified matches. These filters save time and improve precision. Once results appear, search code for specific libraries or function signatures to confirm hands-on experience and inspect users' pinned repositories to gauge focus. Make sure to check recent commits and contribution graphs to verify activity. If a profile is inactive, deprioritize it. This middle work separates. Finish by reaching out with concise, personalized messages that reference a repo, commit, or issue to show you did the homework. Personalization boosts response rates. Once you get engagement, move the conversation to email or a short call. If you can't find enough candidates, broaden keywords, relax strict filters like followers or location, and search organization pages or topic tags. One key troubleshooting tip: when results dry up, clear one filter at a time to reveal candidates you accidentally excluded.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.